If you have seen the numbers episode, you can now count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. If you can't count to 10, first of all, go back to that video and then come back. Today, we are going to learn to count to 100. First of all, we will learn to count by tens. 10,
10,
yigirme,
20,
30,
30,
40,
40,
50,
50,
60,
60,
70,
70,
80,
80,
90.
90.
When you count from 10 to 20, from 20 to 30, from 30 to 40, you are going to add 1 to 9 after these tens. 11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15,
15,
16.
16.
When you count from 20, it goes like this. 21,
21,
22,
22,
23,
23,
24,
24,
25,
25,
yigirme-alte,
26.
Keep going like this until you get to 100. 100 is 100. And one more number, 0, that's 0. That's it for today. I hope you learned something from this episode. If you like this video, don't forget to leave me a comment, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you next week. Bye!